Hey guys, I recently started running ads on my site, and although I'm not a big fan of ads, I do need to, make a little cash here and there. So, I noticed that here's my Start Here page, and this is a full page screenshot. And so as you would scroll down, this ad was showing up in the middle of all my content, and it was bugging me. So, they have a couple that pop up at the bottom, and then they also have a banner at the bottom. I don't mind those, but I just didn't want like this one showing up right there in the middle of my content. So what I did was I went into the back end, and these are the two blocks where the ads were showing up. So I selected those two uh, row layouts here in the back end of my site. And if you just right click on it, oops, you can group them. So that's what I did. I grouped them together. And now when you go to my website, I'm going to refresh this. And as you start scrolling, no ad. Um, I don't know what happened, that little pop-up one, but you see there's no ad in here. So keep going down. There's that little pop-up one at the bottom, and there's another one, and then there's that banner one at the bottom, but they're stuck down on the bottom. And there's that Xtool ad. Thanks, Sadie Smiley, for bringing that up. So I did a few searches, and now I'm getting ads for it all the time. But I think this is a good way to kind of get control over those ads so that they're not flying all over your site and interrupting your readers' enjoyment of your site.